Did it shut off? Oh, son of a... My mom and brother went out for something again. They found another friggin' CRT. Yeah, it's a Magnavox 20-inch, just like the last one with the DVD player, but it's got a built-in VCR too. It's only got the coax audio out on the back. So we'll bring this in at some point and test it out. They were using it with that piece of garbage RCA and name-only converter box. Speaking of in name-only, it's a Funai main set, but you know, we saved those too. It should work. We are back on the patio, just like in early 2024 with the combo TV. It's pretty dirty. I mean dusty, not really dirty. Coax audio out in the back. Ooh, September 2006. Happy birthday. Distributed by Funai Corporation. Shouldn't it say distributed by Magnavox? Manufactured by Funai. I never knew why it didn't say that. Yeah, the cord's wrapped up. Let's take the back off it and see how dirty it is. Here's the screen after I cleaned it off. Now let's get a screwdriver and take the back off the set. I unscrewed that screw and the plastic broke. A51MAJ197X. Doesn't say who made it. It just says made in Indonesia. No, it's one of those weird tiny neck tubes. Not a ton of hours on it, but it's been used a bit. Caps aren't that great. We have Suscon. At least we have Jamicon. Those are halfway decent. And if this thing works, there's nothing wrong with them at all. Here we go. Ah. Got me for a minute. I thought it wasn't going to turn on. There we go. It looks a little bit blurry. Okay, it looks good now. Okay, VHS first. Getting out, freaking mosquitoes. Again, we will be using Simon Phillips Returns. It's my test tape. Has it been eaten yet? Nope. I backed it up too. Tape to tape transfer. I use this Magnavox for a monitor. A real Magnavox one I don't have anymore. Okay. Sweet. Took it. Nice. You know what's not nice? Freaking mosquitoes. Did it shut off? Oh, you son of a bitch. Okay, let's put a DVD in and review the speakers. Disc error. Playback feature may not be available on this disc. Now it's out all the way. That fix it? Just straight up just abuse this thing. Oh no, I'm gonna get a thumbs down. Okay, you can fuck off. Oh! I just had to damn near rip the tray out just to get it to work. Ooh, why is it dim right there? See the top left? The reds are too pink. A little dim in the top left corner. How do you like that? It worked, kind of.
I like it.
Sounds pretty good. How do you like it? Anyway.
The DVD player does work?
Yes, that's a DVD.